Hey, Dave Knight here at 123daytrade.com. Thanks for watching. Thanks for being here. Today was Friday, September 28th, 2018, and look at the circus that's going on in our political front at the D.C. You know, when I look back at the presidential race and we got a crook on one side and you're fired on the other, and then we have this particular thing with the Kavanaugh hearing where we've got people coming out of the woodwork. Now, personally, I believe them both. I believe that the Ford lady was sexually assaulted, and I believe Kavanaugh didn't do anything of that sort. So, as the old saying goes, truth's in the middle, right? So she's got her side, he's got his side, and the truth is in the middle. And so if Kavanaugh didn't do it, but she was sexually assaulted at some point in her past, then her memory most likely is a little bit affected. But the whole problem, and from the outside looking in, we know what the problem is right now. We can see what the problem is. It's not like it's rocket science here. They sat on it for what is it, August something? They said August 21st or whatever. They sat on it between there and so there could have been a full FBI hearing and whatnot, and all the Democrat crap that they're talking right now, we know it's just BS. I mean, and I don't understand why other people can't see that. That, if they wanted the FBI investigation, they could have done it quietly behind doors and we didn't have to hear any of this stuff. And we all know that. We all know the answer. Anyway, so as it affects the crude oil market today, the market goes up at some point during the session. I thought we would stop going up around 33.49 area, 48. That seemed to be the magic number, the Gann number today. I kept attempting to get short through there. It just didn't work out. I finished the week up positive for the week, but I gave back a little bit. Gave up 15 ticks overall today on a few trades that I took in. So I was on the short side. All trades were on the short. Actually, all trades were on the short side all week long for me. So made a little bit of headway for the week, but didn't really go far. So as far as the week goes, I made more than I lost in the combine this week, but once again, it's just one of those weeks that kind of I don't know. If I would have been long at some point today, then obviously I could have got a lot more maybe on the profit side. But as I said before, I'm concentrating on one side of the market. I'm quite happy with what I'm doing right now. So giving up a day or two every so often to an up move, that's the price of being on one side of the market. Hopefully, like today, I can limit my losses, try to pick off the market whenever I can. As far as the uptrending market, the downtrends were only given a 1p movement in the back, giving it back. So I was running with a 13 tick stop today, trailing stop, and I think the 1p target was 16 ticks a pop. So it would go down about 16 ticks, then come back up, and so forth and so on. So I think the greatest I was up today was either 4 or 5 ticks positive. I finished the day down 15 ticks. Anyway, so we all know what what happened today, and it went down party lines. You figure that the confirm was going to happen as far as take it to the full Senate, and I was hoping that some of that would translate in the volatility of the market, and I was hoping that the market would do a little bit of tanking today, or at least come up and then come back down at some point in the session. It didn't do that. It pretty much, for my session, I looked at it till about 12 CST, I guess that's 1 my time, and then I just shut it down. So that's about it. As far as the week goes, we'll see how next week is. That's about it. So, what can you say? This is just times that we live in right now. You got, I don't know what to say. I try not to say anything that's politically motivated. I think Kavanaugh's telling the truth, and I think the Ford girl is telling the truth in her own way. I just don't believe it was him that did it. It is what it is, right? This is Dave Knight here at 123daytrade.com. Thank you for watching. Thanks for being here. I'll see you in the next video I put together. Bye for now.